Kids learning English.
I lost my wallet.
I lost my wallet.
I can't find my phone.
I can't find my phone.
I spilled coffee on my shirt.
I spilled coffee on my shirt.
I'm stuck in traffic.
I'm stuck in traffic.
I missed the bus.
I missed the bus.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to grab my bag.
I need to grab my bag.
I left my laptop at home.
I left my laptop at home.
I can't find my glasses.
I can't find my glasses.
I'm going to be late for work.
I'm going to be late for work.
I forgot to set my alarm.
I forgot to set my alarm.
I'm out of gas.
I'm out of gas.
I forgot my lunch.
I forgot my lunch.
I need to return this book.
I need to return this book.
I can't find my shoes.
I can't find my shoes.
I'm running out of time.
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 I need to finish this project.
I need to finish this project.
I need to take a break.
I need to take a break.
Forgot to water the plants.
Forgot to water the plants.
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm not feeling well today.
I need to call my doctor.
I need to call my doctor.
I forgot to buy food.
I forgot to buy food.
I'm having a bad hair day.
I'm having a bad hair day.
I need to clean my room.
I need to clean my room.
I forgot to pay the bills.
I forgot to pay the bills.
I'm feeling stressed out.
I'm feeling stressed out.
I forgot my umbrella.
I forgot my umbrella.
I'm running low on supplies.
I'm running low on supplies.
I need to schedule a meeting.
I need to schedule a meeting.
I'm feeling a bit tired.
I'm feeling a bit tired.
I'm out of coffee.
I'm out of coffee.
I need to buy a birthday gift.
I'm out of coffee.
I'm out of printer paper.
I'm out of printer paper.
I forgot to lock the door.
I forgot to lock the door.
I'm running out of time to study.
I'm running out of time to study.
I need to clean out the fridge.
I need to clean out the fridge.
I need to get my hair cut.
I need to get my hair cut.
I forgot to bring my water bottle.
I forgot to bring my water bottle.
I need to finish my presentation.
I need to finish my presentation.
I need to clean my desk.
I need to clean my desk.
I'm feeling a bit lost.
I'm feeling a bit lost.
I'm running low on energy.
I'm running low on energy.
I need to buy some groceries.
I need to buy some groceries.
I need to finish my chores.
I need to finish my chores.
I need to clean my car.
I need to clean my car.
I'm running low on patience.
I'm running low on patience.
I'm running late for class.
I'm running late for class.
I need to finish my reading.
I need to finish my reading.
I forgot to bring my favorite.
I forgot to bring my favorite.
I'm running late for my meeting.
I'm running late for my meeting.
It is a blanket.
It is a blanket.
It is a book.
It is a book.
It is a clock.
It is a clock.
It is a door.
It is a door.
Thanks for
Watching.